Meet John. His little restaurant makes the best curry in town. The restaurant has a loyal following, but business is not hot like his curries. Eventually, he noticed where his potential customers were going online. So, John goes to his web agency and asks for online ordering and a mobile app. The agency comes back with a proposal for a custom built platform. It's extremely expensive and will take 3 months or more to roll out. John's also heard of other big portals that provide a shared online ordering system. It turns out they take a big cut from all orders sent through their system. This would amount to hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month. John signs up and adds the order online buttons to his restaurant website and Facebook page. He then turns his own smartphone into an order receiving machine. The phone starts beeping as the first orders roll in. Finally, the team can concentrate on making delicious curry. No one's stuck taking voice calls and risking a bungled order. John's customers are happy too, using the app to order from anywhere, even on their way home. John is now looking to hire another delivery person as the number of orders keep increasing.